everything. Ayun, kanta ng Bread. You sent to me from home, keep me warm, keep me warm. You give my life to me, set me free, set me free. Basta yun ang intro niya. Ulit. Ito A, yung higher A. You taught me how to love, what it's all, what it's all. Nobody else I never knew. Chorus na chorus. From the things I never knew. Give of my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Tapos intro ulit. It's all, what it's all. Never seen things all the way, and I knew from watching you. Chorus na ulit. Nobody else I never knew. Found Louise. Basta yun na. Just to touch you once again. Basta ang kanyang KA. Tapos C sharp minor. Tapos D minor. A. Yun ang kanyang umpisa ng kanta. Tapos sa chorus, B minor. E. Balik. Basta ganyan lang. Give of my life, my heart, my home. I would give everything I own just to have you back again. Meron pang isang chorus, bali halos dalawa yung niya, parang pinaka-refrain niya. If this, mag-i-F sharp minor. If there's someone you know, you're loving them so well, taking the way for granted. D major 7. Tapos B minor. One day. Tapos mag-G siya. One taking away, and I don't know how. Tapos E. Balik uli sa di naman. I will give everything I own. B basta. A, C sharp minor, D, D minor, A. Tapos yung chorus. E, B minor. Tapos A, tigda dalawa. Last na. Just to have you once again. Just to touch you once again. Basta ganyan lang. Hindi tayo masyadong kagandaan ng boses. Basta yung tono, yung mga K, ganyan. A, D sharp minor, inulit ko na ulit. D, D minor, balik sa A. Yun yung umpisa, tapos chorus, B minor, E, B minor, E, tapos